Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Ocean maritime attorneys. Offshore injuries are the both common and the devastating. When you or a loved one has been injured offshore, it's important for you to know what your rights and what you are entitled to receive a compensation. When you look work with the rich and beanstalk, you can rest assured that you will be working with a maritime injury lawyer with the over 30 years of the experience. That automatically ensure that you will have a leg up in a court, as almost nothing is more important than the experience in a courtroom. Contact a hostile maritime attorney as soon as possible for your claim. When a few injuries have occurred, it is important to understand what types of the compensation you may be entitled to. Offshore injuries are covered by the complex and complicated state and the federal laws, which govern the types of the compensation you may receive. This is the reason experienced maritime injuries lawyers such as those at the Richard and Winstock will help you to prematurely with your case. For a free consultation, please call us at the road. A brief history of the maritime and the Admiralty law. Maritime are two terms that can be used interchangeably. Importantly, maritime law also called this and that governors of shore accident. Maritime workers have the most adhered to certain specific laws that govern their industry. Although such as our general maritime law in this United States came for the conclusion, there are the other sources of their regularization as well. Below we list for some of the most important laws, statutes, and the regulations that are curricular when it came to the maritime cases. What is the maritime and cure in the maritime law? Two important facts in the Jones law cases are maintenance and cure. Maintenance is the compensation that your employer must provide you to while you are recovering from an illness or injury. The intent behind maintenance is to provide compensation for a recovering worker cost of a living on a land. However, many maritime employers try to keep these payments to minimize. Working with the experienced maritime attorneys can potentially give you a better chance at a higher maintenance payment in your case. Cure is the medical care that your employer must provide to you after you suffering a work related injury. It is basically compensated for the treatment necessary for your recovery. While many employers do not want you to know this, offshore workers have right to choose their own doctor under the maintenance and cure. Our circular question remain, how long do the maintenance and cure benefits last? Generally, maritime and harbor constructions worker can receive this benefit until they reach maximum medical improvement. MMI is the point when your injury, illness, or the condition will no longer improve. Once you reach maximum medical improvement, your employer is no longer obligated to pay for further medical bills and the treatment. We highly recommended speaking with the trained maritime lawyer for your case. We will ensure that all the legal rights and the benefits are protected. When does maritime law actually apply? It's important to understand with offshore accident cases actually fall under the jurisdiction of the maritime law. In the United States, maritime law apply in any case that arise on the navigable water. Navigable water are those used for the commerce, trade, or travel between multiple states or foreign countries. Any body for the water is fully contained within a legal state such as lake. It is not